Hi families and students, welcome aboard to our classroom on the boat. Today I would like to show you a game that we enjoy playing in the classroom. It's called More, Less, and the Same. In order to play this game, you are going to need some blocks. You could use little wooden blocks like this. Legos would be another great choice for this game. Then you need to make sure also that there's enough blocks so that every player can grab a handful. To start the game, you're going to give everybody a turn to grab a handful of blocks. So I'm going to pretend that there's 3 of us playing this game. And so there is the first player's handful, then the next player has their turn and grabs a handful, and then the next player has their turn and grabs a handful. Then you're going to build towers. Now, the great thing about working with small blocks like this is that you and your child will also get to practice your fine motor skills. And what that means is that you're having to use your fingers to pick up the blocks to be able to carefully place them on top of each other to build a tower. So, each player builds their tower, and then it's time to compare. That means to look at the towers together and to see how they could be the same or different. So this person's tower looks pretty big. You can ask them, does this tower have more or less than this tower right here? And so this tower has more. But you could also ask this player, well, does your tower have more or less than this one? Now their answer is going to be different because their tower has less blocks than this one. Now check this out. These 2 towers are the same. They have the same number of blocks and they are the same height. This one is bigger, these are smaller. This is other language that children can use to describe what they have created. Also, talking about more and less and the same are great math words to use in order to describe their math thinking. Another thing that you can do with your child is to ask them, how many blocks do you have in your tower? And so then they also can practice their counting, being able to touch and say each item as they go to find out how many they have. They can also, if you want to challenge them and really expand their thinking, you can ask them, oh, well, this tower is bigger, it has more. How many more blocks does it have than this one? Or how many blocks are you going to need to make it the same size as this tall tower or to make it bigger? How many are you going to need to make it bigger than this tower? So these are great ideas to work with your child on while you're playing a game called More, Less, and the Same. So I hope you enjoy this, and until next time, have a great day.